Hi, thanks for taking some time here today to take a look at how we manage multiple ASINs matching and the inventory control and publishing controls for those listings here at eTail Solutions. This is actually a follow-up video to a video I did a while ago talking about how it's so important that everything ties back to a master SKU and managing multiple records. And I just thought it's high time that we take a look at the application and show you in a practical way how we actually go about that. So what I'm going to do here is we're just going to take a look at an environment here. This is a pet supply environment. Typically, when you come into our application, you're going to see all of your sales and orders. And we're just going to go right into the catalog and focus primarily here today. So as you can see, we've got our master SKU list up here. This is where we manage the unique SKUs that are in the system. And then down here, we've got sales channel listings and supplier listings and feeds. We've thrown an indexer on the front of this for our higher volume clients. And as you can see, if I come up here and do a search for dog, I can see 4,900 out of, it looks like over 50,000 records. If you're a cat person, we can look for that, and only 2,700 there. Or if you're a ferret person, for example, there's some goods there as well. Let's take a look though at how we actually deal with this. So here's the master SKU. This is what we track inventory by. Everything's got to be brought down to this single SKU here. We don't want any duplicates in the catalog. What we can see down here though is all the different places that we're actually selling this product. So we've got 3 different listings on Amazon. So those are managing multiple ASINs. We've got a listing on a website. We've got an ERP listing here in the case of any wholesale sales that might happen. And we've also got a listing out on Sears. This particular merchant also sells on eBay, but doesn't look like they've got one for this product. Now, I can manage all my listings here, and I can certainly sell on these. But if I wanted to find any additional ones, it's as simple as just clicking on this Match Amazon button here, and it'll search by UPC or ASIN or keyword. But you'll see that actually in real time it goes out and tries to find additional listings for you. Now here it actually found that we've got a few of these that are already matched, so those are verified already. Here I've got some additional listings that I could match to, and I can double click on these and see if in fact this is the right product. And assuming that it is, I can come in here and I can match using this in the first column here, or if I'm not sure, I can flag it as yellow to be reviewed later. Or if I want to reject this listing and never match to it again, we can do that. Our system will save that and prevent that listing from being matched in the future. Now the other thing here is that we may look at these and see, in this case it looks like this is a 6-pack. So we may very well want to match to this, so we'll go ahead and flag it here, but we may want to turn this into a different unit of measure. Now what this does is this allows us to be able to manage inventory by the individual base unit of measure, or the each, but it allows to match to multiple, a different ASIN that might have a different quantity. So in this scenario, the way this really hits the ground is when we're talking about, let's say we have 60 eaches of this particular product. If we're matched to an ASIN that's got a 6-pack, clearly we can only publish 10. If we're matched to a product that's an each, we could publish up to 60. Now, we typically offer some allocation rules and mins maxes, and we've got a number of different things to provide our merchants with the ability to sort of filter what actually gets published based on real inventory. But this tool allows you to be able to take advantage of multiple ASINs under multiple units of measure. And if we go in and actually take a look at this particular listing, we're going to see here that every single channel record has the ability to manage status, attributes, and price. And a part of this status and publishing tool here is the unit of measure conversion here. So going back one step though, the other thing I wanted to just share is, so it's very easy to match these, hit save, and now those channel records will be created. If I go back into this screen, you can see that we do honor multiple listings per sales channel. But also, this is just a very practical way to be able to see how we're leveraging supplier-based availability. We've actually got 2 feeds coming in for this particular product from 2 different distributors. This one is from Central Pet. They're sending us a feed that says it was 120. This one is from a company called Royal. They've got 29. That's total availability of 149. Here's their pricing. We can make purchasing decisions. Looks like we've got a unit of measure here of multiples. So there's all sorts of different things that we can leverage, but it all comes down to having a nice, clean catalog. And that's what's crucial for scalability. So anyway, I hope that you enjoyed this quick overview. If you've got any other questions or would like to chat with us about this, we'd love to hear from you. Thanks much. We'll hope to hear from you soon. Bye.